If your hair feels dry, lifeless, or damaged after chemical treatment. But what if I told you your hair can still grow back healthy even after all that damage? Last time, we shared a powerful reset, a deep ritual to revive your strands from the inside. And if you missed that, you really missed something important. That video was the first step your hair needed. But it's not too late, the link is in the description. Watch that one first. Then come right back here. Today we go further. Now that your hair is reset, it's time to strengthen, protect, and finally, grow.
Hair growth oil with fresh rosemary. This is not just a hair oil. It's a growth potion your scalp has been begging for. Start with fresh rosemary, not dried, not powdered. Fresh. Alive. Healing. Chop it, every cut releases power. But in case you don't have fresh, you can use dried or even powdered rosemary. Just remember, fresh gives the strongest magic. In a pot, pour in clean water and gently simmer. Let the rosemary leaves wake up in warmth. When the water starts boiling, in a separate bowl, add your favorite light oil, coconut or almond. Why light? Because it penetrates deep into the hair shaft. Heavy oils just sit on top, coconut goes deep. You need for real repair. Now add the chopped rosemary directly into the oil. Infuse gently, beautifully, like quiet alchemy. Once it's cooled, strain it into a clean glass bottle. Remember, not plastic. Girl, put this where you keep your expensive perfume, because your hair deserves VIP treatment too. And you've just made the oil that will change your hair game. Now that your oil is ready, don't just apply it. Turn it into a ritual. Place your fingertips on your scalp and massage with intention. Massage in slow circles. Then wrap your head in a warm towel for 10-15 minutes. This gentle heat opens up the hair shaft so the oil seeps in deeper, feeding your strands from root to tip. This oil isn't trending, it's transforming. Not just hair, confidence, routine, you. Segment 2: Delicious Hair Growth Supplements. Hair growth isn't just about what you apply. It's connected to what you feed your body. If you're low on zinc, biotin, iron, or omega-3, no oil will give you the results you want. If needed, check with your doctor for supplements. But today, I'm sharing something you can start with. A delicious, nourishing hair growth power ball. Made with roasted nuts, seeds, and dates. Rich in healthy fats, protein, and minerals your hair loves. Almonds, cashews, pistachios roast separately on low flame. Walnuts, roast them gently too. You know, walnuts aren't just smart looking, they're smart for your hair too. Now add 2 tablespoons pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons flax seeds, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon sunflower seed. Roast on low for 5 minutes until the aroma tells you they're ready. Take soft dates, roast slightly to release their caramel sweetness. Grind nuts and seeds lightly, keep texture. Blend dates separately until sticky. Mix both together into a rich dough. Grease your palms with ghee. Roll into little balls and your glow-up bites are ready. These aren't just snacks, they're edible hair care, packed with protein, omega-3, vitamin E, and minerals for thicker, shinier, stronger hair. Have one every night for internal nourishment your scalp will thank you for. And you know, this is the kind of sweet your hair actually craves. Real regrowth isn't a miracle, it's a system. Nourish your scalp. Feed your body. Stay consistent. You'll be shocked at the hair that returns. So start this journey. Treat your scalp. Feed your roots. And fall in love with your hair again, one strand at a time. Type hair magic if you're claiming your hair comeback. If you liked this special video, don't wait, like, share, and subscribe. And be a part of the blooming lifestyle. I'll see you next time. Bye.